Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking to add some elegance to your home? What if I reassured you that it's effortless elegance? This set of candle holders is from Really Plus. It's in a matte black finish with varying heights. What really sets them apart is that they are handmade, which makes them truly unique. I love the fact that they are a stable candle holder, so I'm not worried about them toppling over. Whether I want to use them on my dining room table or I want to take them out to my patio, I know that they're going to stand up beautifully and add the perfect amount of elegance to any situation. Even if I'm not using them with candles, they are beautiful. I love that they come well packaged and they're super simple to put together. They are just 2 pieces, and the bottom of the candle holder has a very soft padding, so you don't have to worry about it scratching any surface that you place it on. And no matter where I put them, I love the way they look. It seems so easy to add a candle or a candle holder to your dining room table, the corner of your living room, or even outside on your patio. But they add such a beautiful layer of ambiance wherever they are. Whether you place candles in them or not, these candle holders are not going to disappoint. They're very well made. I love the matte black color, and they are stable, and you know that they're not going to topple easily. I'm really very happy with them, and that is my point of view.